In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bonus in Xero. We'll create a simple one-off bonus using an unscheduled pay run, then post it so it's included in payroll records. Follow along in your Xero account and you'll be done in just a few minutes. Start by opening the payroll menu. From there, go to Pay Employees. This is where all your pay runs live, including drafts and posted runs. Choose Add Pay Run to set up a new one specifically for the bonus. When prompted to select a pay period, choose Unscheduled Pay Run. Unscheduled runs are perfect for ad hoc payments like bonuses because they won't affect your normal payroll cycle. Next, pick a pay frequency such as a fortnightly calendar if that's how you typically track periods. Then, select the unscheduled pay period date. This date should reflect when you intend the bonus to be paid or recorded. Click next to create the draft pay run. You'll see a list of employees. Tick the checkbox next to the employee who should receive the bonus, then click the employee's name to open their payslip details for this run. In the payslip, choose Add Earnings line. In the earnings rate field, select bonus, then confirm by clicking OK. Using the bonus earnings rate ensures the correct reporting and tax treatment is applied based on your payroll setup. Now enter the fixed amount of the bonus. Double check the figure for accuracy and remember that taxes and deductions will calculate according to your existing payroll rules. If you use tracking categories or cost centers, make sure the earnings line reflects what you expect before you continue. Scroll down and click Save to update the payslip within the draft pay run. With the bonus saved, head back to payroll, then pay employees to view your draft runs. Open the draft you just created. This is a good moment to confirm totals, dates, and the employee selection match your intentions, since posting will finalize the run. When everything looks right, click Post Pay Run. Posting locks in the pay run and updates your payroll records, ensuring the bonus is properly recorded for accounting and compliance. That's the entire process. You navigated to payroll, set up an unscheduled pay run, selected the employee, added a bonus earnings line with a fixed amount, saved the payslip, and posted the run. If you follow these steps each time you need to issue a one-off bonus, you'll keep your regular payroll clean while still paying staff accurately and on time. Thanks for watching, and great job getting that bonus processed in Xero.